A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about they made us proud. They made us proud. Today we will discuss about Indian NGOs. First of all students, what is the full form of NGOs? NGO means non-governmental organization. Non-governmental organization. Today we will discuss about these are all non-governmental organizations. First is here Save Life Foundation. Second is Chetna. Third is Arju. Fourth is Honey Bee Network. Fifth is Smile Foundation. Sixth is Goonj. Seventh is Udan Welfare Foundation. Now it is Help As India. Help As India. Today we will discuss about all these Indian NGOs. Okay, so let's see your book. Now let's see here students. First is here Save Life Foundation. About Save Life Foundation. Save Life Foundation focused on enabling bystander care or community driven emergency. Listen be carefully. Save Life Foundation focused on enabling bystander care or community driven emergency medical response for road accident victims. Okay, they have been training more than 3,000 police personnel in the state of Delhi. Okay, UP and Maharashtra for the casualty and trauma care for roads accident. They have also been working on a supportive legal framework by bystanders to help the victims of road accident. Okay, so this is about Save Life Foundation NGO. Okay, now second is here Chetna. Chetna childhood enhancement through training and action. Chetna childhood enhancement through training and action. Chetna is an NGO working towards the empowerment of street and working children in a participatory approach. They are given a chance to develop some understanding of their situation, their rights and opportunities. Chetna provides education, counseling, recreational activities and framework to get organized. Okay, so this is about Chetna. Now next is Arju NGO. Arju is an educational and activity center created with an aims to provide a secure knowledge and livelihood base to the underprivileged children through moral, social and material supports. Okay, it undertake activity like education and nominal fee for 10 INR. Supports their livelihood by selling handcraft made by these kids, play, shoes, medical camp, etc. Personally, this is one of those NGO that does powerful work in educating underprivileged children. Okay, so this is about Arju. Now fourth is Honey Bee Network. Honey Bee Network. Honey Bee Network established by IIMA, Indian Institute of Management. A Professor Anil Gupta works towards identifying the grassroots innovators from across the villages of the country by organizing learning walks, शोध यात्रा. It has established a sister organization called Srishti, Society for Research and Initiative for Sustainable Technology and Institution, which work in 4 domains of innovation: educational, cultural, technological and institutional innovation. Okay students, so this is about Honey Bee Network. It is Honey Bee Network established in Gujarat. Okay. Now next, Smile Foundation. Since 2002, Smile Foundation has been working on ensuring education for children, livelihood for the youth, healthcare in rural villages and urban slums, women empowerment and sanitation of the privileged masses. It is an NGO which applies successful business strategies to social ventures. Its popularity in unparalleled. Okay, so this is about Smile Foundation. Now next is Goonj. Goonj address the basic but neglected issue of the poor and value of the traditional wisdom of the local people. It enables them to participate in Goonj solutions and gives out urban material and rewards. Goonj has several campaigns on them, one of them being Share a Bite to Your Heart's Delight. It is a venture to encourage people to contribute daily essentials like rice, pulses and so on to the less fortunate. Now next is Udaan Welfare Foundation. Udaan Welfare Foundation. It works towards quality health care, keeping in mind a positive impact on environment. It also works towards other causes that go hand in hand with healthcare, such as nutrition, taking sincere effort to achieve its ideals. Okay, Udaan Welfare Foundation has worked successfully for 6 years in the region of Mumbai and Thane. It continues to work toward the betterment and upliftment of the needy. Okay. Now last one is Helpage India. Helpage India. It has been active for over 4 decades. It has one of the largest mobile healthcare program across India, providing free healthcare service to destitute elders. Cataract surgery are one of the cornerstones of this organization. Cataract is a leading cause of blindness in India. Helpage conduct more than 45,000 ear surgeries for eye surgery, not ear. 45,000 eye surgeries for the blind elderly across 21 states. Okay students, So this is about Help As India. So these are all about Indian NGO. First is Save Life Foundation, Chetna, Arjun, Honeybee Network, Smile Foundation, Moose Urban Welfare Foundation, Plan Welfare Foundation, and Help As India. Okay, students. In next video, we will discuss about next topic. So thank you, very thank you.